Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is and I'll be explaining about nature of current liabilities. So, current liabilities are obligations or debts that a business expected to settle within 1 year or its normal operating cycle, whichever is longer. These liabilities arise from the company's daily business activities when and are usually paid using current assets such as cash or by creating another current liability. So, for example, like accounts payable, salaries payable, accrued expenses, and earned revenue, and short-term notes payable. It is important for business to manage its current liabilities effectively because they represent short-term financial commitments. Proper management helps ensure that the company has sufficient cash flow to meet its obligation on time, maintain good relationship with suppliers and creditors, and avoid financial difficulties. In conclusion, understanding the nature of current liabilities is essential because it reflects a company's short-term financial health and its ability to meet upcoming obligations. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Farhana binti Hamza, and today I will explain about audit association and accounting training. First, let's take a look at completeness. Completeness is to ensure all trade papers and accuracy are recorded. By having completeness, we can prevent omission of liabilities to avoid understanding financial obligation. Second, we have obligation, where the company is legally obligated to settle the debts. By having obligation, we can verify the existence of general liability that must be paid. Lastly, we have valuation and allocation, where obligations are recorded at accurate settlement amounts to ensure liability and measure correctly in the financial.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Nordania Anissa binti Samsudin. My matrix number is F1053. I will continue the presentation by discussing the accounting system and control activities related to current liability. For current liability, we use two main systems. First, the account payable ledger to record all supplier invoice. Second, accrual sheet to record expenses that have been incurred but not yet billed, such as electricity or interest. To ensure accuracy, there are two key control activities. First, supplier statement reconciliation to verify that all liability are recorded and nothing is missed. Second, authorization of payment to ensure that all cash outflow are properly approved and valid. The main risk is the understatement of liability. If some liability are not recorded, the company liquidity ratio may appear better than they actually are. In conclusion, a proper accounting system and strong internal control are essential to ensure current liability are completed and accurate. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Ainul Husna and my matrix number is 06-24F1081, and now I will explain about the audit procedure for current liabilities. Audit procedure has divided into two types, which is the control and substantive procedure. Okay, for first, under the test of control, the auditor need to verify whether management has review or resolve any variance that found during the supplier reconciliation. This helps to ensure that any differences are investigated and corrected properly. The auditor also inspect the authorized sign-off list for cash disbursement to confirm that all payments have been approved by the appropriate personnel before they are being processed. So next, under substantive procedure, the auditor need to reconcile a sample of trade payable with supplier statement to verify the accuracy and completeness of the record balance. In addition, the auditor need to review a subsequent cash book for payment made after year end to identify any unrecorded provision or liabilities that should have been recognized in the financial statement. In the end, so this procedure helps the auditor to obtain sufficient and appropriate audit evidence and ensure that current liabilities are complete, accurate, and fairly present in the financial statement. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Ifidania. My matrix number is F1175. So lastly, I would like to conclude our presentation by summarizing the key point that we have been discussed about audit of current liabilities. So in summaries, current liabilities are short-term obligations that must be settled within 1 year or within its operating cycles. Therefore, it is important for companies to record and report them accurately. Proper accounting treatment, audit assertion, internal controls, and audit procedure help to ensure the current liabilities are complete and accurate, also fairly presented in the financial statement. This also help to reduce the risk of error and fraud. And overall, effective auditing of current liabilities improve the reliability of financial reporting, and it also will increase stakeholder confidence in the company. That's all from me. Thank you.